Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your payment method was declined. So guys, if your payment method has declined, then I'll show you how can you fix this. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to settings. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your Apple ID panel. Now from here guys, just simply you have to sign out your Apple ID and just simply turn off your device at least for the 60 second and then turn it on again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to go to your Apple ID and just simply go to media and purchase it and then go to view account. Let me tell you that you have to check your debit or credit card expiry date is not over. So guys, if your debit and credit expiry date is over, then you have to change it or provide a new one. Okay guys, so if this isn't the case and you're facing the error, then what you need to do is just simply go to manage payments option. And from here guys, just simply you have to check if you don't have any pending subscription here. If you have, just simply pay for them or remove it. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to country origin. So from here guys, just simply you have to change your country because you have given your country in your payment method is another one and you have selected your country another one. Just simply you have to go to change country, and from here guys, just simply you have to go to the country which you want to select, and here are the terms and conditions. So you have to read it carefully and then tap on agree. If you are agree, again tap on agree and wait some second. From here guys, now here you have to select your payment method. So again you have to put your information here. So you can also put your billing address. So you can put the billing address from here. So you can write the city name and you can also select the state from here. I'm selecting here California. So here you have to put the zip code of your city. If you don't know about the zip code, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser. So you can put phone number, so you can also put fake one. Just simply you have to tap on next, and after that guys, your payment method will be changed or your country will be updated and your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.